Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing something a little different because this week is a special week. It is the Week of the Young Child, so that means that every day this week we're going to be doing something a little different. Each day is going to have a different theme, and hopefully it'll kind of give you some things to do in your house that kind of mix things up so that you're just not doing the same thing over and over again. So today is all about music. Making music. You can sing with your voice. That's one way to make music. Some of you may have access to musical instruments, like a guitar or a drum or something like that. But I wanted to give you some options in case you don't have stuff like that, but you still want to make music. And you can make different things for, you can use everyday objects just to make different musical instruments. And I'm going to have a couple links down in the comments in the description that will link to some sites that will help you to make some instruments. But I just wanted to show you a couple things. Basically, you can just kind of use whatever you want as an instrument. You can pat on your knees or things like that, or you can clap. You can any hard surface you can pat on, like a couch, arm, or a table. You can just kind of make some music like that. And just kind of explore how you want to do it. Another thing is if you have plates. These are kind of plastic. They're Christmas tins, but you can use them as little like symbols. You can crash them together. You can use your hands. You can kind of use it as like a tambourine. You can maybe use it like that. So that's just another option. So if you have like plastic plates, or even more of like the tins, or more heavy metal things, heavier things that don't run away, don't break easily, you can use that. Another option, if you want to make a drum or a drum-like thing, you can take a trash can, like a plastic trash can. Metal trash cans work too. And you can just take them, and you can just turn them over, and you can just make whatever kind of music you want. I would suggest taking the trash out before you use a trash can. That way you don't have trash coming all over yourself or making a mess on yourself or on the floor or anything like that. So just figure out what you have in your house and make music. And that's what we're going to be doing today, is just making music. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.